Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 388th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of you my favorite cookie of all time, chocolate chip cookies. And also, today is National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. But these ain't your ordinary chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna make triple chocolate chip cookies. That's right, sugar. Triple chocolate chip cookies. Gonna have 3 types of chocolate in it. And if you're a chocoholic like I am, y'all gonna fall in love with these cookies. It's a chocolate lover cookie. It is the bomb.com. It's gonna be so delicious. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And also, if you're a beginner baker, this would be a great recipe to make. And also, this would be fun to make with your kids. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cookie recipes playlist and my previous video, No Bake Strawberry Cheesecake. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your butter, your flour, and your chocolate chip sugar, because we're about to bake some chocolate chip cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep the dry ingredients. In my bowl I have 3 3/4 cup of stuffed rising flour. And we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Give that a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and a half a cup, which is 1 stick of margarine that I let come to room temperature. And then to our butter and margarine, we're going to add in 3/4 cup of white sugar and 1 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream all these ingredients together on medium speed until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. Going to add them 1 at a time, beating after each egg. Mix those in until it's well incorporated. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla and blend that in until it's well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in the dry ingredients into the butter mixture a little at a time. Mix it in until it's well combined. Alright my friends, the cookie dough is almost complete. Now, you ready for the fun part? Time to add in the chocolate. In my bowl, I have 1 12-ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, and 3 ounces of white chocolate. And we're going to mix the chocolate in. OMG, look at all that chocolate. It's going to be sinful. Alright, as soon as I mix the chocolate in, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through mixing the chocolate chips into the dough. Now we're going to cover it and we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 1 hour until it's firm. All right, I'll see you in an hour. All right, my friends, our cookie dough is nice and firm. And also, if you want, you can add in 1 cup of chopped pecans or chopped walnuts to give your cookies a little crunch. But I'm just keeping it simple. So now we're ready to scoop them into the pan. I have a 9x13-inch long cookie sheet that's lined with parchment paper, or you can use foil, or you can grease it with baking spray. So we're going to use my ice cream scoop. Gonna get a little of the dough. And we're going to put them onto the pan. Just like that. Alright, as soon as I get all my cookies together, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends. Now we're ready to put these beautiful chocolate chip cookies in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 375-degree oven. And we're going to let them bake for about 12 to 14 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my chocolate chip cookies out of the oven. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Ain't nothing like the smell of freshly baked cookies straight out of the oven. Look how nice and golden brown they are. And you can see the chocolate chips. Alright, perfect. So now we're going to let the cookies sit on the wire rack for 10 minutes. And then I'll plate them up and I'll give them a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Triple chocolate chip cookies. Don't they look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Mmm. Soft and chewy. I'm in chocolate heaven. Contains all of it, the dark, the milk, the semi-sweet and the white. Ain't nothing like homemade chocolate chip cookies. These are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Look at the chocolate chips. Nice and gooey. Yum-o. Chocolate chip cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day.